Nepal is a small country. Most people I meet say this. Nepal is the 49th largest by population and 93rd largest by size out of approximately 200 countries. It is 3.5 times as big as Switzerland and 7 times as big as Israel. Fact, Nepal is a medium-sized country with an oversized heart. In Nepal, colors are everywhere. Almost 40% of Nepal's area is covered in lush forests, home to our rich biodiversity. The sights, sounds and smells of the woods enveloped us. A walk through the forest gives a sense of peace that few other things can, isn't it? Flowers dot the landscape of Nepal. The most popular endemic varieties being rhododendrons. In these flowers, we saw violet.
Please like and subscribe.